Well, Miele has 3 different models in the cordless category: the base model, the Cat and Dog model, and the Pro model. Now, which one is best? I can tell you which one's most expensive, and that's the Pro model. The reason is it gets 2 floor heads, one for bare floors, one just a regular brush roll, and it also gets 2 batteries and also gets 2 chargers. So this is really best for someone who cares about having their own floor head for their bare floors, and also needs a longer runtime because of the 2 batteries and the 2 chargers. But whether it's the best model for you or not remains for you to decide. They all do have the same suction, they have the same motor power, they have the same performance, they have the same suction settings, the 3 suction settings. So none of that changes. They also have the same warranty. So you decide which one's the best for you, but the Pro model is the most expensive model.